What's that one? Square. Very good. What's that one?
Oval.
Oval, yeah, it's ellipse also. Ellipse. What's that one? Trapezoid. What's that one? Let's see. Diamond. Very good.
What?
What's that one? Now find it. Oh, very good. Pentagon. Great job.
A hexagon.
Octagon. Octagon. Oh, very good. Octagon. Great job. What is that one?
Triangle.
Triangle. Oh, great job. Okay, another one, okay?